LaBelle is the shadiest of them all. This is beyond, this is old lady shade. This is beyond old lady shade. I know these bitches been having beef since like the 60s, okay? But my guy, she told a story once, Patti, about how she met somebody who she can't stand her, and she was with, I think she said Mick Jagger. Don't hold me to it. I don't remember. And she was like, "Darling, you're sweaty," or some shit. Something that sounded like what Tina Turner would say, because she was an uppity bitch, and we all deserve to have some uppity ass moments, okay? Or to be uppity 24/7 if that's the fuck we choose. All right. So she said that, and she was like, "Yeah, I don't like her. I can't stand her." Basically, that's what she said. Shout, she showed up at the freaking awards. Was it the BET Awards? Shout, I don't know. I was busy. She showed up at the awards. Mind you, it's a writer's strike, but it don't even matter. At real rap, it doesn't matter at all if it was a freaking writer's strike. She said Tina said she was moist. Tina just said that. The lady is dead. The lady is dead. It was the BET Awards. The lady is dead. Ma'am, talk about... Remember, y'all watch Medea every once in a while. I watch Medea every once in a while. Medea was like, "Yeah, this will beat me." And I didn't know I was still mad. It was Angry Black Woman. I forgot the name of the movie. Mad Black, whatever. And she was like, "I didn't know how mad I was until I stomped until he was 8 feet down." And they was like, "But they only bury you 6 feet." She was like, "That's what I'm saying. I didn't know how mad I still was at him until I came to his funeral and stomped him 2 more feet down." Right? Anyway, that's what I feel like Patti LaBelle did. I feel like that was some horrible, horrible, horrible shit. Horrible shit. She should be embarrassed. I don't care. Yes, it's a writer's strike, but you are allegedly a professional. I'm going to say what I said. I would think you would have been practicing this song for a little bit. I don't know. It's bullshit. We know all of it's bullshit. And it's horrible. And it says more about Patti LaBelle than it says about Tina Turner and her little uppity ass ways. I said what I said. I don't understand. There is no excuse. Anything she wants to say is a lie. I couldn't read the prompter. You are a professional, lady. You know them songs. Them songs was out for decades, like your songs was out for decades. You know the words to them songs. Stop playing games. That was some horrible, horrible shit. That's some kind of shit you can't prey on. Because that was intentional. And that was stomping somebody into the ground 2 more feet. I said what I said. She said the words were big on the screen. She wanted to be nasty. That Patti and Tina beef was one-sided, 1,000%. And look what you did. That says more about Patti LaBelle than it does about Tina Turner. Okay, I said what I said, and I'm done with it. Okay, I just had to say it because All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Okay, appreciate y'all. See y'all in the morning. Okay, as always, I hope you live your life like it's golden, because there's no other way to live it. Remember to moisturize your skin. Go wash your face. Go wash your face. Go wash your face. She said that's why Aretha couldn't stand the ass. Just nasty. We see who the problem is. She's just outliving everybody. We know now.